Good afternoon, everyone. This is Muhammad Ayaz again. We are going to be trading for the day today. And for that, let me just update you guys on the special offer I was talking about yesterday at the end of the stream. So basically, we'll be looking at a certain exchange which I have, come to know of, and they're doing pretty well. So yeah, as we were trading yesterday, I did expect that it will go above 86,000, and by morning today, it has successfully reached 91,000. So there has been a $4,000 increase in the Bitcoin pair with the USDT. So while we are at it, I would like to inform all of you that this platform is currently offering, an event right now which we all can register for the next 5 days. So basically, what there is right now is they're offering certain offers which I'll go through later. Once I've at least placed a trade or at least tried analyzing for the first, 15-20 minutes and then make a proper trade. So yeah, and today's market hotspots, which I can say that the Tether CEO of Tether has responded to S&P's downgrade of USDT rating. Okay, and the fragility of the old system is making those in power uneasy, means the money is going to get into the flow again. There might be some liquidation, we don't know for sure. Okay, and rest of all, Coinbase Ventures has released into its 2026 outlook, which shows a focus of perpetual contracts, specialized trading platforms, and trading desks. Okay, these are some new terms that are coming through, but we'll soon get into it later. So Monad has continued to rise after the break, currently more than higher than the public offering price. So approaching 5 billion FDV, which is. And Arthur Hayes has bought back 873,000 ENA at the price of 0.281 in the past hour. So these are some news which you might, have to look into. These are just some hints for you to properly trade. Now let me just open up the screen. Again, we're going to look for at least 4 hours of a difference, then 1 hour of a difference, and then look how the market is going for now. Let's create some basic arrows based on it. Last date is 25 and 26. Okay. Okay, 25, 26. Yeah. So the trade opened at a profit and then went down. We can see that. Yeah, place it right there. Place another one. It had steeped for a while, then picked up its pace again. We see that the order book also shows this, that the trades so far has been going good, and we can see there's like a comeback for Bitcoin to be back on track, like how it was there near 5th October. So now let's go back to the let's take this a bit. We need it for every 1 minute and 4 hours. Let's go by the minute. Let's open the contract and we'll add it. 0. Yeah, that sounds about great. Stop loss. Okay. Market situation has been the past. Wait, let me just turn it into 1 hour so I see more of the updates which we can get. Okay, so on 27th, just as it was nearly 3 a.m. in the morning, it seems to be a lot of profit gained over time. Means more people have bought the coin as well. Okay, so there's about 92,000 which I can expect at least. That's the highest in the order book which we can see. So we're gonna offer the price of 91. So 219 if someone's offering. And amount of Bitcoin, and we need the price to be at, hopefully it will go 91. 225, 91, 90. And the lowest which I can expect for today is 91, 90, 200. That's the lowest. 91 to let's open up a bigger contract. Let's wait for a while. We see that there are some changes coming up. Overall, we tip of the show, we can see lower scale. We need it for 1 minute again. That's the view which I needed to see before finally making the decision. Some indicators. Okay, for now average range is at about 35.3. It had decreased at okay. Right over, and we can see that whenever it went down, it's good for us. Whenever it was at high, it was bad for us. So like as I said earlier, I'm trying to teach you guys so that beginners can learn easily on how to trade and how to analyze things a bit, how things work. Okay, what would be the best option for you to invest in. Anyways, at the end, it's all your responsibility because financial advices cannot be given by me. It should be done by yourself. You should be educating yourself on this matter. Learning how to trade is an important thing if you want to earn passively, or just try to save something or have something for your future. You need to learn these things before actually operating in them or before beginning. Okay, so I just took the leverage down a bit so that I don't get into basically debt, because once the order is made and for example if I just let it be, my amount can be decreased from my balance continuously. That's why. And guys, let me know because I just wanted to check a bit. Yeah, so as I can see over here, the equalizer is running fine. I was just being nervous. Anyways, okay, so 91,266, 274. Let's give it a 200. Open long. So take profit at right now it's 1,335. So 91,500 and stop loss at 91, no, 91 it's still in 300, so I'll say 200 would be, as in a whole, my spendings versus the amount which I'm investing should be of variable cause. So yeah. Anyways, how's your day been, guys? Just let me know in the comments, because just knowing about trading and things can be pretty tough and pretty boring. So I would like to open a bit more to what you guys suggest, that how should I continue this life? Should I make like previews, or drop on some, okay, we need to place a trade real quick. Okay, this one we're just gonna cancel. We edit this 0.050. Okay, it's at 91,329, right? So 91,400, that's the I can feel. 91 is still in the green zone. So let's just say 320, 310, 300. Let's do that. Confirm. Must be less than the order entry price. Okay, okay, my bad. It reached at that point, so I'll just keep it at 250 so that it doesn't. What? 91,400. Oh, mark price, last price, okay, order entry price. 91 2. Okay, order was placed. About $45 worth of frozen margin is in there. I'm just going to cancel this. Why is it still pending? I wonder why. Anyways, as I was saying, 91,316 is going fine. We have created our own take profit act. Okay. Okay. Our potential isn't being viewed right now because the order hasn't successfully been placed. I wonder what's the issue over here. Yeah, maybe this is the order which is blocking. Wait a minute. I think it was something on my side. Let me check it again. You know, it's always a good thing to refresh just for a buy, because I didn't make any order. Let me just check if an order was placed or not. Yeah, order wasn't placed. Otherwise, $45 would have been gone from my account. Let just go back and yeah, 0.005. That's about 456. Nope, we're just trying to make another. Yeah, $45 soon looks good enough. Yeah, and we'll go with 91,310. Okay, and wait, let me just check for a while. Maybe in the news there might be some updates. So okay, okay. So currently, according to the market, there has been fluctuations between the overall liquidity. The amount of basically liquidity is the amount which is converted of Bitcoin into USDT, or USDT into Bitcoin. The amount which is continuously being flowed is the liquidity. That's why it has that word, right? Yeah. So that has increased, and yeah. So I'll I'll take profit at, wait, 9. Let me scroll up. 91,000. And 400 looks too much of a stretch. Maybe, wait, let me just see. Wait, hold up. 1 minute. Overall, in this date, it did reach